Hi, my name is Antoine Hart, and I will be explaining my website. So I led with a top header with a quote that I feel like that describes me. It says, "It's never too late to be what you might have been." I wanted something to reflect who I am. I used to be a professional dancer and actor, so I'm transitioning to the tech world. So I feel like it's never too late to reinvent yourself. I next went into my nav bar. I wanted a nav bar initially that stretched all the way out, and then as you expand it, it displayed the bar titles, but it wasn't working aesthetically with my design of my website. So I decided to do this hamburger icon that floats and is invisible as the user scrolls the page. And when you click it, it does this fancy X, and then after the X, you can go to any portion of the page if you click the button. I thought that would be really cool. I then went to my About Me, which I wanted this section to be cool and different than a traditional just About Me. So I made it a "What if I told you about myself." I thought that would be cool. Also, throughout the theme of my website, I had this parallax effect that I did to my images. I thought that was a cool touch. I love this image because it's black hands and I have black hands. I then my API for my projects. If you click the links to my projects, it'll take you straight to my spreadsheet or to that um, projects page that I display those projects on. Moving on, I kept the parallax theme throughout. I added a section called resume. And to that, I added a button. It's a brief description here, and I added a button that leads to my actual working resume, which is my dancer's resume or acting resume as of now. I included a contact section. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You just click in here and you write your name or what have you. Then I also added a social media section that displays my social media handles, and I did those in a grid format. And as you expand to different versions, because the site is responsive, it goes into a flex box designed for each one of these. So whenever and then also, as I changed throughout my site, I did want to change some features like before up here. It was when it's mobile. Um, this is the images you're getting, and then as you switch to desktop or tablet, you can see that the images do change, and some of the theme and layout changes. So I thought that might be pretty cool, and yeah. And just to show the grid here, I'll just click here to show that I did do a grid template. Thank you.